One of the requirements for this class is to have a digital portfolio. If you have one already, that's great. Just add a page for computer science. If you don't have a digital portfolio, make one. Send me a link. Okay, on a new tab, we're going to go to the waffle over here, and that opens up our apps, and choose sites. If you don't see sites, just click more, and there's more apps available to you. Once you click sites, this is a link to the old Google Sites, and we want to use new Google Sites. It just looks much more polished than the old ones. And once you're here, you probably don't have any. If you have not created one, it'll be blank. You just use the plus sign at the lower right-hand corner to create a new site. Once you click that, voila, you have your first website. Please name your site, your name, and then you can kind of do with this what you want. On this home page, I would like you to have a picture of yourself or something that represents you and a blurb about you. You can change the layout to accommodate an image over here under layouts. So I'm going to choose one that has a picture. Then it's super easy to add pages, delete pages. There's themes over here. You can change your image, background image. You can add text boxes. It'll show up down here. You can create some interest in your website by, you can put images in your text box, or you can by selecting, or you can just use it kind of as a breaker bar. When you do change your image, you can either upload an image or you can select an image from Google. So it gives you a whole bunch of different options. And when you change your picture, it actually changes the text and the color of various things on the page. So it's really nice. To add pages, go to pages. Just like you use the plus sign to add your site, you add a page. So you should have a page called Computer Science. You might have some subpages on that one. You'll have a page for at least one other class to show work examples. You can have pages for any clubs or extracurricular things that you do, maybe volunteer projects, something like that. You must have a resume. Once you have your pages, there are little menu options. And for your resume, first of all, see how there's, this is the menu right here. So home, computer science, multimedia art, resume. Well, I might not want my resume visible as a page. I might want to have it navigated to from my home page. So that whenever you see these three dots, it's a menu. So I'm going to hide my resume from my navigation. It disappears up here. And then on my home page, I'm going to add a button to link to my resume. So on the Insert tab, a button. I'm going to name that button Resume. And then I can either link to an external site or a Google Doc, or just my page that says Resume. And once you have these things, you can certainly drag them wherever you want. Make them bigger, right? Things like that. Good. It's spelled correctly. All right, and that's kind of the basics. If you prefer to really get into your portfolio and use another site, That's great. There's Wex is one. I personally use Weebly. They're both free. Also, there's many more. But whatever it is, you need to send me the link to your portfolio. If you're using Google Sites, please click share and then invite people. And R should bring me up. Please invite me to edit, and that way I can help you with any spelling errors or things around which help get you organized. And that's it. That is creating your Google site. Thanks for watching.